to this, pink black girls, not area codes. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, we got a steam in your team. Look at your crown, natural, relax at a Jericho. One time soft and sheen. Where black girl magic is sometimes blue. My broker hair.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see by the title, y'all, I will be building my console table. Okay, y'all, so originally I really was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buy me a table and, like, you know, chillax on the, like, the decor. I mean, not the decor, I'm tripping, on the DIYs. But y'all, like, the console tables wasn't giving what I needed them to give. So I just was like, I don't know, this what happened. I came across a video and it was crazy because this lady, she does a whole bunch of videos on like recreating stuff or just even buying dupes of furniture pieces, which is from my favorite furniture store called Restoration Hardware. If y'all have never heard them before, y'all need to go check them out. I love it, but they are super expensive. Like the couch, for example, my couch, right? Y'all seen my couch, and if you didn't, go watch the video before this. But my couch it's from not Restoration Hardware, but it's kind of giving the cloud couch vibes. But the cloud couch, like literally 2 pieces of that couch is like $10,000 by itself, and it's just nowhere near in my budget. Like I need an entire couch for $10,000 if that's the case. But yeah, so I just like her channel because, like I said, she recreates a lot of stuff. But anyway, like I said, I came across this specific console table that she made, not console, this specific coffee table that she made, y'all, and it was literally like the exact like type of vibes that I was trying to go for, y'all. So I'm just super excited to recreate it. Of course, you know, we are using the materials that's gonna, how do I say this, like certain lenses and stuff that's gonna fit our space. So they're not gonna be exactly, you know, the same lens as the lady in the video used, but I mean, yeah, just tweak it to your space. So yeah, I'm about to go show you guys everything that we have so we can go ahead and get started. My hair. So we was gonna like cut it manually with the little miter saw that I was using in the last project. Instead, we just got this Black & Decker circular saw. Yeah, so I'm excited, y'all, honestly, like for real, because who has time to be manually doing this? But unfortunately we don't have like a wood shop table or anything. That's something that I'm about to look in a second on Amazon or something to see if we can invest in. But right now I'm thinking the best thing is to use the dog cage, because Mariah said let's do it on the counter in the kitchen, y'all. But honestly, I don't want them shavings, what is it, and then shavings all in the way. Like nobody has time for that.
Watch your feet.
Hey guys, so after cutting down the wood on different pieces over and over again, I finally got it to the size that I want, y'all. So not only is it a straight edge on the side where, you know, you see that dark piece of wood at, it's also straight on the opposite end as well. So yeah. Okay, all the pieces are cut. So we have 3, 6, 9, and 12. And these across are the pieces that's gonna like connect the boards together. So now what I'm about to get ready to do is just create the box, well, the base, and then, you know, we can see what we have left with the rest of the scrap pieces. Okay, good morning, guys. It's the next day, and this is how the table is looking. It's giving all one piece, and yes, there are like slightly thicker, what do you call it, gaps. And there were actually a few of them in multiple places, but we were just like, you know what? We don't want this table to be perfect. And honestly, like imperfect wood, which is what the Z is, imperfect wood, it has like imperfections, like natural splits in between it or whatever. I mean, it's two planks put together, and it's like the planks aren't perfect, so like that's kind of what created it. But even like this, like it's not a gouge, but it's like, I don't know if I want to say rotted, I don't know. But yeah, I just think it looks good. And then like once we sand it all and stain it black, I feel like it's gonna really like set it off. I don't know. But this is a huge tabletop. It was supposed to be bigger, y'all, but I'm honestly happy that we did it this size. And I'm super interested to see what it looked like next to the couch. So yeah, this is the top and this is the base. Again, you really won't honestly see the base, but I'm not gonna half-ass it. I'm gonna make sure like it looks, you know, good and sand it real nicely, because it's literally gonna be in the center, and you literally, like, unless you crawl down and look to the side, like that's the only way you'll see the base. I also was kind of nervous about the height of it. We measured it last night before we allowed it just to dry, and it was like the base itself was like 12 and a half inches, and the top itself is 1 inch, so the table is in total like 13 and a half inches, which is perfect, because the restoration hardware table that we're mimicking is like, it was 12 inches high altogether. And like, I don't know, it's just like when you first get certain things, it's like it comes off as, I don't know, like for example, our couch, when we first got our couch, I was just like, it was pretty, but I was like, because it was so small, like it was so short. And like when I was looking up the measurements and stuff like that, like for example, the patio furniture, right? And we had the tape measure and we stood it up, and I think it was like 28 inches or so. And I was like, what? There's no way that a couch is this short. Like we're used to seeing couches super like tall, but we had to think about it. One, the couch isn't backed up to a wall, and two, like it's a more modern type of couch. But now, since we've been in the house and stuff like that, the couch seems like that's the size the couch is supposed to be. But I'm pretty sure if I go to somebody else's house, I'm gonna be like, what, y'all couch big? But anyway, and same with the table. So as of right now, just looking at it not put together, it looks like it's super short, right? But now I just feel like once it's completely done, completely put together and everything, it's gonna come out like perfect. It's gonna like fit the setting. Like we sitting on the couch, just put some on the table. That's what I feel like it's gonna give. So that's pretty much that. We're about to sand it. I'm gonna make sure I use a level so it can sand down all the hot spots, so that it is as level as possible. And hopefully that won't take forever, because I'm really ready to get the stain on. We go stain it once, bring it in the house, put it together, stain it one more time, let it dry, and
I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass. They love it when I turn up the bass.